Today I'm going to talk about a healthy diet plan. Hey, welcome to another interesting topic. I've made videos on food is fuel and how to eat right food, how to lose the fat a right way. Along with your workout, physical activity, your diet or nutrition is really important to keep your body healthy. It can be fat loss, it can be weight gain. Any goals regarding your fitness, your food is your fuel, and right balanced nutrition is really important for our healthy lifestyle. So yeah, today I'm going to talk about healthy diet plan in a day, breakfast to dinner, what are our options, healthy options we have, and how to choose the right food. As soon as we say diet, people take it like reducing your food intake or not eating at all. Diet means you need to eat less, or restrictions, a lot of restrictions, what you love, or do not eat at all. No. Rather, you'll be choosing right foods to have healthy lifestyle and having more energy, good metabolism, and boosting your mood. So choosing or selecting the right options in your diet is really important. So diet do not associate with eating less. Instead, you're eating right. You're going to choose right amount of food, right selection. Our bodies need protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, and minerals for our healthy functioning of our body and to keep us fit and run our whole system efficiently, effectively. Protein options for vegetarians: lentils, beans, paneer, curd, milk. For protein, if you're non-vegetarian, you have options like chicken, fish, eggs, and meat. Okay, and carbohydrates through brown rice, whole wheat, whole grains, chapatis, quinoa are these options. And fat, you need good fat that through nuts like almonds, cashew, walnuts. Through these you get good fat which is necessary for your body. Along with these, you need to have fruits, seasonal fruits and vegetables in your daily intake. On a very generic note, how our breakfast, lunch, dinner, what are our options, healthy options we have, how to choose, and what are the incorrect options which we can avoid, and breakfast, lunch, dinner, along with two snacks. I'll just talk about what are our options which can help in our healthy choosing healthy nutrition. Breakfast options are like oats and banana. Oats along with any seasonal fruit. That is one option. Option 2, you can have boiled eggs and 1 glass of milk. Option 3, you can go for paneer paratha. Option 4, like whole wheat bread with peanut butter, or scrambled eggs with one fruit. So these are all healthy options. You can change the varieties. You can choose the varieties day by day instead of going same food every day. So with these options, we are trying to have protein-rich breakfast, protein-rich food in our biggest meal of the day or first meal of the day. We are trying to have protein-rich food. Snacks time. You can go for green tea along with any fruit, or you can go for nuts like a fistful of almonds, cashew, walnuts, pista, or fistful of all these mix will be a good option for your snacks. Or you can just have one seasonal fruit, that would be enough. Or if you're going for tea or coffee, choose not to have sugar. And for lunch options, You can go for brown rice or chapatis or quinoa or sweet potatoes as a carbohydrate category, along with curries. Curries, anything in legumes. You can choose beans, all types of dals, chana, rajma, or leafy vegetables. Then, along with this, one cup of curd. Then, one plate of vegetable salad. Vegetable salad, like simple one, I can say one carrot and one cucumber. Just chop it off and have it as a salad. So that would be a good amount of vegetable salad for in lunch. Keep your veggies, raw vegetables, or green salad as an important portion in your lunch and dinner, which will help you in digestion, increases your metabolism, and enough fiber needed for your body you will get through vegetables. Between lunch to dinner, snacks time around 5 to 5:30 or 6 o'clock, whenever you have snacks time, try to have again. You can go for nuts or one seasonal fruit or just one cup of milk, or if you're going for tea without sugar. Now, breakfast to lunch and lunch to dinner, snacks times are there. So if you're choosing morning as a fruit, evening go for nuts, or evening if you're going for fruit, morning you have nuts. So arrange your timings or schedule it, plan accordingly as per your convenience, but try to have all these varieties. Dinner, people have it very late and just immediately go to sleep after dinner. Late night dinners really won't work for our health. So try to have as early as possible your dinner. Try to keep minimum 2 hours gap between your um, dinner and sleep time. And dinner options, and you can similar to your lunch options, brown rice, chapati, quinoa, sweet potato, along with one curry, and then here one large plate of salad. Salad can be anything: carrot, cucumber, broccoli, radish, beetroot, or all mix of these, onion, tomato, anything. One full plate of raw vegetables. Try to have. All the options are good, but choosing the quantity is also important. Normally, when we eat rice, we tend to have more rice and less curry. Or suppose if you're eating biryani, it will be a large plate and it will be huge for us, and only maximum is rice. So when you're having lunch and dinner, if you're choosing white rice, better to have as good as a curry, and have more curry, or how much ever curry you're having, have similar amount or same amount of rice in your plate. Do not have more compared to curry and other vegetables. So that is one option. Or if you're going for brown rice and quinoa or sweet potatoes, those are really good options as complex carbohydrates, which will take time for you to digest. So watch your quantities. At the same time, do not eat less. Eat lot of varieties in right quantities and right selection. Have protein, carbs, and fats in your daily life. Have mandatorily raw vegetables and nuts, any kind of nuts, at least once in a day, kind of one cup, which is really important for your healthy nutrition and your fitness. And try to keep more than 2 hours gap between your dinner and sleep, and cut down your sugar intake. Avoid sweets, fast food, fried foods, and high salty foods, processed foods. When you're buying foods, read the labels. Trans fats, avoid it. With these simple tips, you can frame your nutrition, you can frame your meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Try to have home food. Try to implement this and see results in your body and lead a healthy lifestyle. And another important tip is do not go for shortcuts. Try to have your balanced meals and try to see in a long run how how you can follow in your lifestyle. So whatever the changes you do for your diet or your meals, make sure you're following it for your lifelong, not a short term. If you're following particular diets and which are shortcuts, and if you're following for 1 month and you leave it, you come to again your regular pattern of eating and foods, there are again highly chances of gaining the same weight again. Okay, so better whatever you implemented, try to see in long run which you can implement in your daily meals and try to follow the same for lifelong. So choose the long-term options. Choose the foods which you enjoy, which you feel good at the same time. Choose right food and eat right. Okay, stay healthy. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.